back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this bracelet here. This bracelet is called the Firestar Bracelet, and it's an original design created by me. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make this bracelet, be sure to use the hashtags #Starfire Bracelet and #Minion Loomer, and be sure to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is @minion.rainbowloomer, and be sure to go ahead and check out my spam account. I'll put that all in the link in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and do that. So without further ado, let's get started with the materials you will be needing to create this design. So you will be needing a double-ended crochet hook, and you will also be needing some bands. Today I will be using the same exact colors that I used for this bracelet. You will also be needing a C-clip to close off your design. So go ahead and get that, and without further ado, let's get started with making the bracelet. To get started, we are going to take a band and we're gonna make a cap band. So it's a figure 8, and then we are going to take a white band and just simply slide it through this cap band, and then you want to reclaim this cap band, and then go ahead and attach this band on your hook. Then take another white band and slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. We are going to be making an 8-loop setup, so then go ahead and take another white band, slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside one. So it's looking like this, and we are now going to flip our design carefully, making sure none of the bands get out of place, and if they do, go ahead and fix those to where they should be. And then you are going to take a white band, not a yellow band, and go ahead and slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. Then we are going to take another band, slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. So this is how the 8-loop setup should look like, and now we are going to get started with the next step. So for the next step, we are going to take an orange band, the color we are using for this portion of the bracelet. So I'm making it the same exact way. So I'm going to take an orange band and slide it through the first 3 bands, and then you are going to reclaim band number 1. Reclaim band number 1 and 3, or 3 and 1. And then it should look like this. And then after that, we are going to carefully flip our hook around and go ahead and take another orange band, and we're going to slide it through bands number 1, 2, and 3. Then we are going to reclaim band number 3 and band number 1. And do not rearrange any bands, so keep it how it looks like, exactly like this. Now we are going to take a yellow band. So I'm going to take this yellow band and we are going to slide it through the first 8 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we slid it through the first 8 bands, and now we are going to reclaim band number 7. So skip the first one and reclaim this orange band. Skip these middle 2 white ones and reclaim this orange band. So we are picking up bands number 7, 4, 1, and 2. So pick up these outer 2 moves, and replace this yellow band on your hook, and move these 2 bands to the outside. And make sure they are in this order, so the white bands are facing inside and the orange bands are on the outside. Now what we are going to do is take a white band, so I'm going to go ahead and reach for this white band here, and we are going to slide it through the first 3 loops on our hook, and then we are going to reclaim band number 3, which is this yellow one, and band number 1, which is this orange band, and reclaim for now. But then you want to remove this first band and slide this orange band through the yellow band, so it looks like that, and then just replace this white band on your hook. Now we are going to flip and repeat that same exact step what we just did. So take a white band, slide it through the first 3 loops on our hook, and reclaim band number 3 and band number 1. Then we're going to take band number 1 and slide it through band number 3. So just like that. And then take this white band and replace it back on our hook so that it looks like this. And after we do that, we are going to repeat with a new step. So we are going to take a yellow band now, and we're going to slide it through the first 6 loops on our hook. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then after we slid it through the first 6 loops, we want to reclaim band number 6, which is this first one close to our hook. Then we are going to reclaim band number 3 and band number 1 and 2. And then just replace this yellow band on our hook like this. Then we are going to move these 2 bands to the outside. So that looks like this. And now we are going to take a white band again, and we are going to slide it through the first 4 loops, and then we are going to reclaim these outside 3 loops. Then after that, we are going to take this first band and slide it through 2 and 3. And then just reclaim this white band on it. We are going to flip our design after we do that. And we will repeat the same exact step. So take a white band and slide it through the first 4 loops on our hook. Then reclaim the outside 3 bands like this. Take the first one and we are going to slide it through the bands number 2 and 3. And then just replace this white band on our hook so that it looks like this. And you will start to see the pattern forming in this bracelet. So now we are going to, you're going to repeat the same exact steps what we just did before. But for now, we are going to take a white band, slide it through the first 2 loops, and reclaim the outside band. Go ahead and flip this bracelet around. Take another band, slide it through the first 2 loops, and reclaim the outside band. So you should have a total of 8 loops on your hook, and then you are going to now repeat the same exact steps. So repeat all of these steps what we just did by placing the orange band through the first 3 loops, and then go ahead and reclaim bands number 1 and 3, and then just simply repeat those same steps what we just did. So I'll show you this part real quick. So take a band, slide it through the first 3 loops. Sorry about that. So slide it through the first 3 loops and reclaim bands number 1 and bands number 3. Then just flip this around and repeat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Slide it through 3, pick up bands 1 and 3, and do not rearrange them so that it looks like this. Then you're just going to repeat the same exact steps with the yellow bands. So I hope you guys, I will see you guys later when I finish it to the full length of my wrist, but I'm only going to make a small decent size like this, and then I'll show you guys how to close it off right now. So go ahead and make your rendition and I'll be back. After we have 6 loops on our hook, we are going to take a band and slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. And then you're going to flip it around and do that same exact step. So take a white band, slide it through the first 2 loops, and reclaim the outside band. So now I'm going to go ahead and go off camera, and for now continue making this bracelet till it gets to the full length of your wrist, and I will be back to show you guys what to do next on how to close it off. So I finished the bracelet and this is how it looks like. You want to have a total of 6 loops on your hook. You want to stop to the point where you slid a white band through the first 4 bands and then reclaim the outside 3 loops and slid the first band through bands 2 and 3. So now this is how it should look like, and you did the same thing with the other side. So you should have a total of 6 loops, and anyways, to close it off, you're simply gonna have 6 loops and just slide a single band through these 6 loops and just slide that band through and reclaim, and this is how it should look like. Then you're just going to take your C clip finally and then clip it on. And then you can go ahead and just simply clip it on to the cap band here that's sticking out. And yeah, so this is how you make the Starfire bracelet. I do hope you guys enjoy this tutorial on making this bracelet, and tag me on Instagram so I can see your guys' renditions. And by the way, be sure to like this video, comment down below something nice, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this. And if you do subscribe to my channel, you guys can become part of the Minion Loom squad. It's super fun, and I do hope you guys enjoy this video on creating this lovely hook only bracelet. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next videos for some more great designs coming your way. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.